Hi guys, Akriti here, and I am here with the next episode of changing your mindset from the maintenance mode to the growth mode. And I am here today to discuss with you the solo to synergy mindset. So, what happens usually when we are in our job profiles and when we are working in a job? We have a tendency or a mindset, I would say, to take the entire burden on yourself, and we go ahead and start performing whole and soul end to end in the development processes. So, and if you have a team where you are a member of and you're taking the care of the entire thing end to end, people are really happy with that mindset, and people are really happy with you also. But in business, what happens is you have to work with a synergy mindset. Okay, now what do I mean by synergy mindset? See, in a business, you can't do the entire work by yourself. You have to distribute multiple work to the group of individuals or the team that you have, and you have to guide them as a leader. If you try to do everything on your own, then that's not going to serve the purpose in business. Trust me, it is going to tire you out. And again, this process of changing from your solo to synergy mindset is a continuous process. It is going to happen over a period of time. You just can't, with a snap of the button or just a click, a snap of fingers, just change from, okay, so today I was doing everything on my own, tomorrow morning I get up and start distributing things to the team. That doesn't happen. It's a continuous process. Trust me. There are so many times where you'll feel that, oh, if I had to do it, it would have been just done in fewer hours. But that is not correct. Each work in business has a dedicated time, and rather than you focusing on what you can do and how much time will it take, how much lesser time will it take, you have to identify the people in the organization, in your organization, who are going to handle things better with their energy so that you can distribute your energy. So remember, it's a continuous process. It's not a discrete process. And if you want to know the entire process end to end, send me a comment down below, and my team will reach out to you and will let you know the next steps. Till then, thank you.